Hey, if you want to find more live wallpapers on TikTok, first of all, you will have to start from the profile and then tap on the right upper corner and go into the settings and the privacy. And now from here, you will have to scroll down and go into the wallpaper. Now click to find wallpapers on this red button. And from here, you get actually top wallpapers. So you can keep scrolling and input anything that you want. So I'm gonna show you my favorite. It looks like this. And if you want to set it up, for example, let's get this one, you have to click on the share button. Now locate set as a wallpaper. For some reason it's not popping right here, so let's try to get another one, like this one for example. As you can see from here, we can get it as a wallpaper, and now you will be able to download it, set as a wallpaper, and you will also have this application. The name is TikTok Videos Wallpaper. So you'll be actually redirected into the Play Store, and after that you'll be able to get it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.